So if you ever struggled on how to actually make $100 a day with your affiliate marketing business, you definitely want to stay tuned to this video, because in this video today, I'm actually going to be showing you guys how to actually make $100 a day with your affiliate marketing business. I'm going to dispel any myths that you might actually have in your head right now. And I'm going to back it up with numbers, and I'm going to back it up with data. I'm even going to show you one of my current affiliate campaigns that I'm running and show you how to actually make $100 a day with your business. You don't want to miss this one, guys. We're starting right now. All right, guys, I'm going to jump right into this video, and I'm going to start off by showing you a campaign in which I've been selling an affiliate product here on the WarriorPlus. And I'll likely block out the actual names of these campaigns here on the screen, just because we reserve the right to give this information to some of our paying coaching clients. So I don't want to basically just give this information away, but I will show you the actual numbers. So if you take a look here at the screen, you can actually see that this is a product that I've sold on the Warrior Forum. So far, I've gotten 1,114 clicks. I've gotten 87 sales. This represents 87 sales here. 8% conversions, and this is what I want you guys to pay attention to. So this number here is $1.20, and that's the visitor value. So that's the per click value. So that basically says that for every click that I sent to this particular affiliate product, I made on average $1.20. So if you can make $1 for every click that you send to a website, then you can obviously make $100 plus. And then the more clicks that you send, the more money that you obviously make. So the average price for each sale was about $15 when someone actually made a purchase. But the total number, of affiliate commissions that I actually earned was $1,332.75. So I started off with 1,114 clicks, 87 sales, and that resulted to $1,332. But again, I wanted you guys to kind of pay attention to this number, which is $1.20, that states that for every click that I sent to this website, I made on average $1.20. So now let me actually just jump into the actual main offers page of WarriorPlus, so I can actually show you guys how you would actually select some of these products, and then I'm going to give you guys some even more detail on how you want to go about setting up your campaign. So I'm here at WarriorPlus. I just clicked on offers, and so I have a bunch of offers that came up here. And so I'm not trying to tell you guys to promote any particular product. I'm just going to look at this stuff randomly. Basically, at the top here, it shows you everything that you need to know. It has the sales here, it has the conversion rates, the visitor value, the average sale, and then it has the refund rate. So what you want to look for when you're looking for a product to promote, specifically with WarriorPlus, is you want to look at, there's a couple things you want to look at, rather. It's like sales, you want to look at visitor value, because if it's selling, that means that other people, that you can probably make sales from it as well. But the visitor value would actually tell you how much people on average are making on a per click basis. So if I just took any of these products at random, you can see that, say this product here, let's just go with this Miracle AI. I don't even know what this product is, so I'm just picking it out randomly. You can see that they made 1,000 plus sales. It's 11% conversion. But if you look at the visitor value, you can see the visitor value here is $2.04. So you can see out of the 1,000 plus sales that this product actually got, on average, they're making like $2 per click. So that means that if you can send 100 clicks to this actual website, statistics say, and this is the actual real data, guys. So this isn't something I'm making up. This is the real data from these actual sales. So statistically speaking, not to say you are going to 100%, but statistically speaking, you have a good chance to earn in $2 per click or $2 per visitor that you send to this actual website. And all of that's going to depend on the quality of the traffic and some other things that I'm going to teach you guys in this video that you can do to increase your actual sales percentage. But this just gives you an idea of, okay, what type of product should I be looking for? So like, you want a product that's made like at least 500 plus in sales if you're looking through here. And then you want to look at this visitor value. So some of these visitor values may be very low, right? So maybe you're looking at something that is, I'm trying to just find something randomly. So say for instance, this product here, it has a 67 cents visitor value, but obviously it's made over 10,000 plus sales, but the visitor value is under $1. So maybe that may be something you might not want to promote. Not to say that you can't make money from it. I'm just going strictly off of the visitor value. And then you have some products here that have visitor values of, $14, over $14. And so you kind of look at like, what type of product is this? Measurement worksheets generator. So who knows what that even is, and that may not even be in your particular niche or the type of audience that you've generated with your email list. So basically what I'm trying to get you guys to see is that you can use this platform, and you can use the data, the actual raw data that they're giving you, to determine which product that you want to sell. Obviously, you would want to do your due diligence. You want to go look at the sales page, think about like, is this something you would purchase yourself? You can go over to the JB page and get more information about it. You can purchase a product yourself and go through it and figure out if that's something you want to sell. But the idea around this video is to get you guys to look at the data so that you can, if you're going to be promoting something, you definitely want to promote something that is going to have, a good visitor value, so that that if you spend time or money sending clicks to that page, you can kind of have an idea of how much money you can actually make. So let me actually go over to my diagram next, and I'm going to go through a little bit more in detail and how you actually can do this from a tactical standpoint. All right, so I'm here in my diagram, and I have two different diagrams here, and I wanted to show you guys this. So this is pretty much the traditional diagram that you would see here at the top. Typically, you're going to be sending traffic. A lot of you guys are going to be sending that to a squeeze page because you want to build your list so that you can remarket to these people over and over again. I hope you're building your list. And then once you send them through the squeeze page, obviously you're going to send them to the sales page so that you can actually try to make your $100 a day, right? So here's what I want you guys to know. If you have a squeeze page that is performing poorly, say your squeeze page is only performing at 20%, but you send 100 clicks there. Well, that means only 20 people are opting in here to your squeeze page, and only 20 people are actually seeing the actual sales page. So more than likely, you're not going to make any sales, and you're going to be frustrated, right? So one of the things that I try to tell, my students and people here on the channel, that you want to make sure that you're getting some quality traffic. I've made some videos about this recently in terms of where I'm getting some quality traffic in terms of solo ads. And then you want to make sure that your actual squeeze page is converting at like 40 or 50%. So that means when you send 100 clicks to this squeeze page, 40 to 50 people are going to be able to, go through. But that's still only 40 or 50 people seeing the sales page. So you got to make sure that you're sending enough traffic. So say you may need to send 200 people through the squeeze page if you're converting at 50%, so that 100 people can actually see this sales page, so you can get a product that has at least $1 or $2 visitor value, so that you can make your $100 per day. It's simple math, guys. If you do the math, then you can actually make the affiliate commissions work for you. Now, if you have questions about how to get a high converting squeeze page, I actually just did a video this week about a squeeze page that is converting for me at 50%. I will actually link that video in the description. So go and watch that video if you have not seen it. It shows you the example of the page that I'm using right now, my business, that is converting at 50%. So make sure you guys watch that video. Now, I wanted to actually show you guys how you can actually increase your sales. So like, where you see like my sales, it was 8%. So what I did in order to increase those sales was I added something to my funnel. So I was sending quality traffic. I'm getting 50% opt-ins. But what I did between the squeeze page and the sales page is I inserted this bridge page here. Now, this is when, and everybody doesn't have to do this. And if you do this wrong, you might as well not have done it at all. And you should have just did it this way. But if you do the bridge page correctly and just set up the sales page, warm these people up that are coming through the funnel and set them up properly here in this bridge page video, then your sales can go up. So your average visitor value can go up, your average sale can go up, and obviously the amount of money that you make can go up. Because what a bridge page can do is the bridge page can basically just warm people up to this offer. So this is an opportunity for me to basically meet these people for the first time, give them that like, know, and trust factor, give them my personal experience on what the product is or how it's going to help them and how it's going to bring value to them, and then send them over to the sales page. And so now your likelihood of making more sales is going to increase. But again, if you do this bridge page wrong, you might as well not have done it at all, and you just stick to the same format. And I'll be making more videos in the future about like how to do a actual great bridge page that's going to help warm your people up. But in this video, I just wanted to kind of set up the schematics of what I'm doing to generate those affiliate commissions. So I hope this video helped you guys. If you like this type of content, again, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed before. Let me know in the comment section if this all made sense to you and if you have any questions. I'll also link in the description of this video a great email marketing course that can actually take you from A to Z on how to do email marketing and how you can actually build up your affiliate marketing business by just sending emails. So make sure you check the link in the description for that. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice day. Peace.